All right, problem 96, we're taking a look at a guy who's planning on retiring and how much money he will make. So first of all, let's look at if he retires at 55. So from 55 to 80, that is going to be 25 years. So what that means is that the first year, he would get $30,000. The next year, he would get 3% more. So he would get 30,000 times 1.03. And then he would get 30,000 times 1.03 squared, and so on. So he would do that for 25 years. So our T of N equation for this in first term form is 30,000 times 1.03 to the n minus 1. Thinking about our formula to find the sum. So I need to figure out, let me just move stuff around here. The sum will be the last term, which is 30,000, times 1.03 to the 25 minus 1, times my multiplier, 1.03, minus my first term of 30,000, divided by multiplier minus 1. So that's what is going to be here for the sum. I can simplify this part right here, since it's 1.03 to the first power. I can simplify that down to 30,000 times 1.03 to the 25th minus 30,000 over 0.03. That ends up equaling approximately 1,093,777.93. So rounding the decimal there. So that is how much money he would make if he retires at 55. Let's take a look if he retires at 65. That is now less terms. He's going to only have 15 terms. Because 65 to 80 is only going to be 15 years. But now he starts off at 60,000. And then plus 60,000 times 1.03. Plus, and then so on and so forth, just like the last problem. So the T of N equation for this one now is going to be 60,000 times 1.03 to the n minus 1. So now doing the sum. The last term for this one will be 60,000 times 1.03 to the 15 minus 1 times your multiplier minus the first term divided by multiplier minus 1. Again, simplifying this part right here is going to be 60,000, 1.03 to the 15 minus 60,000 divided by 0.03. That is going to equal, again, rounding to the nearest cent, 1,115,934.83. So when you look at that, retiring at 65 does pay more. So 1,115,000 compared to 1,093,000. So it is paying more, but you also are working for an extra 10 years. So he's going to have to decide what he wants to do.